Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a server template in Discord. Firstly, open the Discord app. Next, select a server. Tap on the down arrow from the top left. From the menu, tap on Server Settings. Now tap on Server Template. First, provide a title. Then, provide a description of the template. Now click on Generate Template. Simply tap on Preview Template. Here you can see how your final template will look like. Then click on Create. As you can see, your template has been added here among other templates. Now go to Server Settings. This time, tap on the Delete Template button. Doing so will delete this template. This is how you can create a server template in Discord. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.